ergonomic technologies for housing construction. The foremost process is the balanced digging of the land where bamboo sticks are placed equally to adopt the basic shape of the house. Then the bricks are placed by a manual worker to start the basic foundation of the house. Similarly, once done with the foundation, the next step is the development of the walls of the house, which entails the bamboo sticks being tied by jute ropes. The process perpetuates until the wall structure is completed by these bamboo sticks. Additionally, now as you can see, the worker shows up with fences that are reclined with the sticks to cover the house and make it ready for the next process. The fence is then rolled until it paves each side of the house from left to right and top to bottom. Afterward, the mud is prepared by the worker with a steel rod, and with the assistance of a wheelbarrow, he takes it to a specified point where the mud is integrated with water and then mixes it with his bare feet. He then adds straw grass to make the mud more solid. Then the mud is taken in the wheelbarrow and applied to the fence to create the shape of the walls. To make the entrance more solid and concrete, he digs for the foundation and places bricks, and then adds water and again bricks by integrating the entrance foundation with cement. For the entrance door bands, he also utilizes alloy rods, making the entrance more solid and certain. Once the initial shape of the house is made, then the roof is made of bamboo sticks and plastic for preventing leakages in rainy weather. Back again to the house for having balanced walls. The process is done and measured by the hands of the worker. The window bands are created and balanced too, while for the floor, he throws the bricks on the floor and then chops them until they become balanced with the floor and become ready for the cement to be applied upon. If you like to watch more videos similar to this one, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. The house becomes ready only in need of the paint, and that is applied too. Ultimately, the door is attached at the door bands, and the house is ready to be converted into a home. Keep watching, there are more to come. Mighty buildings. The construction of 3D houses starts with the use of 3D machines that assist to shape the walls of the house. Similarly, then steel frames are assembled to shape the walls of the house. Then the same walls that were created from 3D printing are integrated with the steel frames to complete the beautiful exterior of the house. Furthermore, with the help of air casters, these houses are moved to a specified point for fitting other relevant elements for supplementing beauty to the structure. Ultimately, the house is wrapped and becomes ready for delivery, where air casters lift the house towards the truck, and then by other lifters, the houses are kept on the truck, and the truck takes them to the delivery point, where the owner endeavors to live in this house. Soon, the installation process is done with the help of the crane that lifts the house in the air and places it in the desired and directed point as per the demand of the customer. Thus, it becomes ready to be converted into a home now. The creation of these houses, although, is being carried by the machines, but does not need the equal contribution of manual laborers too. As you've seen in the video, the machines only perform the printing operations, while from fitting to delivery and installation, everything else was done by manual laborers. BRETTE house. The mini house is delivered at the directed point by the truck, and a crane places it in the woods or at the point where the customer wants to place it. Then the lifter takes up the upper portion where the other side of the house emerges. Then the workers fit the door of the house, and with some additional efforts, the mini house becomes ready for living. These houses are very much feasible when it comes to their cost and easily adjustable for shifting them into the next area where there becomes a need or when the customer's standard of living rises.